In front of me is a MEIZU M8, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the hotspot. So to get started, you'll want to navigate to your hotspot right over here. You're going to hold the toggle, and from here you'll either have the option to turn it on automatically right here, but I do recommend you to go to set up LAN tethering and select, for instance, security, and set some kind of password on it. Otherwise anybody can connect to your hotspot. So once you choose that, you can choose a password. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length, so I'll make something fairly simple right here, 1 through 8. Additionally, well, AP frequency only has 1 option, so no options here. So anyway, once you select the password, tap on OK, and you can now toggle it on. And once it's on, you should get a pop-up right here in your notification shades letting you know that it is active. Now, as long as you're using hotspot, you can keep it on, obviously. Once you're done with it, I do recommend you to keep that in mind and turn it off. Otherwise, it will be consuming more of your battery. So simply tap on it and it will turn off. Additionally, also it uses your Wi-Fi antennas to broadcast the signal. So whenever you have hotspot on, you cannot use your Wi-Fi. You will only be then going through your mobile data instead. So anyway, that is how you would set it up and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.